Similarly, our partnership and close working relationship with Microsoft has redefined the mobile productivity experience for our consumers. Together, we've been working on bringing Microsoft platforms, services, and products to the Z Fold 2 to help you get things done with its cinematic display and intuitive multitasking capabilities. Let's say you get a last-minute update while on the way to a meeting, and you get an Excel sheet with a chart that needs to go into your presentation, but you don't have enough time to go back to the office. With Z Fold 2, you can open Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint simultaneously from within the Office app and work on both files at the same time. Then just drag and drop the chart over into the slide, and that's it. It's easy to move content from one experience to another, so you can take full advantage of the larger display to focus on your work.